What would the value to your project be if every person who works on a job has confidence that they are working with the latest information? No matter what they do or where they work, it would mean less rework, lower costs, and improved schedule timing. This is what Autodesk Docs is built to deliver: the ability for every team member to trust their software from design through construction. A common data environment shared by design, quantification, coordination, project management, and field collaboration keeps all project data in one place. Native integrations with design software gets information published fast and in the desired format, meaning no critical project info is lost in the gap between incompatible solutions. You can keep the right information in the right hands with powerful document and version control. Customized folder structures and comprehensive permissioning keeps information organized. And advanced search makes it easy to find what you need in the office or on the job site. More advanced control is delivered through document review processes, making sure you only make information available when it is ready. And transmittals help you keep track of who has received what and when. Add in powerful markup tools and the ability to track and collaborate on issues across the lifecycle, and you've got real collaboration and coordination. One-click access to drawings, models, and even Microsoft Office files brings the power of collaboration to the whole team. Access to all data, simple viewing and collaboration tools, all without leaving the platform. With Autodesk Docs at the heart of unified Autodesk Construction Cloud, teams can trust the data they rely on, anywhere, anytime.